I don't see it.
God, it's not even on this list. Let me just command F it. Command F it. That's what I would do if I was in the KASPA community. I just command F it. I'm not a financial advisor. Oh, it is on the list. There it is. Okay, they made it in. They made it in.
Under consideration.
Under consideration. Okay, under consideration. And when was this date? When was this? This was 10/10/24. Okay, so look, here's what people would say to me, okay? They would say, well, you said that Neon is a gigantic opportunity potentially because Grayscale is considering a trust with them. But you're saying it doesn't matter if KASPA has a trust. It doesn't. It's not going to get one because it doesn't have institutional support behind it. It's got zero big investors. I'll just say this over and over again. Okay. Cardano doesn't have big investors either. Okay. Anymore. They might have it at one time. They don't have any major institutional interest. And that's why I'm confident it's not going anywhere over time. Okay. KASPA, the difference is here, KASPA is already like in the top freaking 30 or something. Right? How much higher can it go? Okay. Are you looking for massive KASPA pumps off of ETF? It's not going to do what XRP did because it gets a trust one day. But Neon is in the 4 digits. It's like the 1,000 ranked coin. I don't know where it is now. A coin like that would 20x off of a trust. 20x. Okay. KASPA? Okay, because a trust is like 2 or 3x. Cool. The only people that are super bullish on KASPA, you know they are? The people who have been in KASPA. Like that's, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, we'll see. I am not shocked that it is on that list because there were so many coins on that list. They did almost everything in the top 50. But under consideration and having a trust are two different things. The day that they come and they get their trust, come talk to me and we can do that. Okay, guys, let's do a little crypto convo here. This is where I like to do crypto and you guys like to convo. So I come over here and I take a look at the chat and I make sure that I still have people in here that love me. There's a couple. Okay, good. Okay, go ahead. We'll keep doing the show.
All right, here we go. So you addressed the Phantom one earlier today. 40K in Sol. Should I put 10K in SUI or ONDO?
I just think SUI's going to read. I think SUI might consolidate here below $5. Maybe. I think right now it would be ONDO because I think the price of ONDO is going to move up as they move towards that January date for the tokens coming out. By the rumor, sell the news.
Thank you, Guy Canaf, with that question there. Now, Ricardo wants to know, is the plan to pull out of Bitcoin around 128K, then wait a few months before moving into some alts?
Oh, yeah. That's exactly the plan. Look, $120,000 to $140,000 is where we're going to, the channel is going to, under my direction, take all of your profits. Once it hits $120,000, I'm going to start telling you to scale out.